My name is Natalie Morrison. I live in San Bernardino County, and I'm self-employed. Me and my husband own a decorative rock yard. I actually found out that I had some bone loss, and the reason I went to Cunning Dental was I had lost my front tooth, and it didn't hurt me. It just fell out. I wasn't chewing anything. It was really strange. Didn't know pain, and that's what triggered me to wondering what's going on with my teeth, because I had probably within the last year some recent cavities and just loose chips and things like that going on, and there was no pain associated with it. So I just, after that first tooth fell out in the front, had to go to Cunning Dental. It was embarrassing. I never smiled. I always covered my face and didn't like to be seen with my mouth open a lot. Just got used to it though, just very embarrassing. It just kept me from doing a lot of things. I didn't take a lot of pictures. I don't know, I had low self-esteem, felt just not very confident, didn't feel pretty. It affected my eating very negatively. I couldn't eat very hard things, very chewy things. One time I ate I bit into an apple and it chipped part of my tooth, and an apple, and that scared me. So it was very difficult for me to eat. My husband found Cunning Dental for me. He actually went on the website and found it. I had just lost the front tooth, and I was very upset. I was crying and emotional, and he just jumped on there looking to see what he can do for me, and he found Cunning Dental. The first time I went to Cunning Dental, I was very impressed. The office was beautiful. The staff was very nice. It was a beautiful building, very nicely decorated, very comfortable. The staff especially made me feel really good. When I went to Cunning Dental and I talked to Dr. Katami, the main thing was he made me feel like a person. He made me feel like I had no reason to be embarrassed. I was going to get the help I needed. He answered every question I had. He answered things I didn't even think to ask. He showed me what the before and after would possibly look like and just how that would affect my whole life. The day of the procedure, I was nervous. It's a surgery, of course, but it made me feel anxious. I was more excited to get it done. It was very well explained to me, so I really wasn't nervous about there being any risks. It was very amazing to wake up with a new set of teeth. I was crying when I got the mirror and looked in the mirror. Now that I have my teeth, it's a whole different life. It's amazing. I smile, I get complimented all the time. I can just open my mouth and not have to put my hands in front of it. It's very different. It's very wonderful. I didn't realize how much it would change everything I do. Socially, I am out there more. I am much more involved, much more of a participant. I smile, I talk, I initiate conversations. I'm active. Eating has changed tremendously for me. I don't have to fear about what I eat. I can have some candy if I want to have some candy. Maybe that's not good, but I can do it. And I can not have to worry about the effects afterwards. There's no fear associated with it. The stress of having to worry about if I go somewhere, will they have something I can eat? This is such a life-changing experience. I don't know how. It's worth it. It's very, very much worth it. I don't ever want to go back to how it was before. I didn't realize how many things had changed for me and how horrible it was. And it's really wonderful. If you have dental issues, I would definitely recommend Cunning Dental, because this experience has changed everything for me. It's allowed me to smile and feel good and feel pretty and just be part of society like I want to be. And I'm so much happier than I used to be. And this is something you need to invest in. This is something you need to do. Go to Cunning Dental. It's worth it.